Hi, I'm Ethan,
I'm Joey.
and we're the host of this year's YouTube channel.
We'll give you a rundown of this week.
Monday, Mahalo Monday, that's today, we were supposed to wear our freshest fit. Joey did not.
I unfortunately did not, but Ethan, on the other hand, looks awesome.
Tourist Tuesday, you're supposed to wear touristy clothes. I am wearing a fanny pack.
I will also be wearing a fanny pack, and I might carry on the camera with me.
You do it.
I will.
Wavy Wednesday, wear a flip-flop and shades.
I got a big collection of sunglasses going on, so I'll be doing that.
I have like 2.
All right, so for Thursday, we have Tiki-rific Thursday, and we all wear tie-dye. Do you have any tie-dye, Ethan?
I just bought like a tie-dye shirt last week.
Sounds
so
good.
I'm prepared.
All right.
What about you?
I do have tie-dye. I made some last year in home interior design.
You're set.
I'm set.
Aloha Friday, wear Hawaiian shirts. Mr. Jehoviak is going to have a field day with this one.
He's going to love that day.
Well, that was a rundown of your week. We will see you guys tomorrow. Until then, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.